In this episode, we're heading out on a rugged bike adventure. We'll ride a bamboo raft across the river, trek through river rocks, and take on an off-road trail that will test our wheels. This journey starts now. My journey kicks off at Bacolod City. I'm aiming for Bago River in Labanan, about 20 kilometers away. So guys, behind me is Sumag River, one of the major tributaries and fishing hub here in Bacolod City. Had a quick stop here, but now back to action. Sure ka? Oops. We're going to ride that, what do you call that, raft or boat? Welcome back. Struggle is real. going to the other side of Bago River to see what the view is like from there. So we temporarily left our bikes there since we'll be back shortly after the sightseeing. So guys, I'm going to fly my drone so that we can see the whole Bago River. So
Sunlight pouring through the window. The smell of coffee fills the air. A slow moment in the morning light. With my favorite music playing, it's the start of my day. The alarm rings in my dreams. I stretch, take a deep breath.
Ay, sige na ako. Pwede sa bag mo. Kuha ka, ano? Sakit, sila dua.
They say go with the flow, but the truth is, only dead fish go with the flow. Sometimes we're called to take a different course, one that's unfamiliar, uncertain, even uncomfortable. Just like crossing a river or taking the road less traveled on a bike, life's detours can lead us to the growth we never expected. And yes, there will be moments when things don't go our way, but maybe, just maybe, that's God redirecting us to a better one. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 to 6 reminds us to trust in the Lord with all your heart and to lean not on your own understanding. And in all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. So don't be afraid to go against the current. Sometimes the right way isn't the easy one, but it's always worth it. But wait, there's more. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into the heart of Bago River as we explore the rich fishing culture that thrives here. We'll meet some amazing local kids and seasoned fishermen. People whom fishing isn't just a hobby, but a way of life. See you on the next trail.